Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are officially 15 days into our 25 Days of Christmas series, Gifts for Him. I really hope you guys have been enjoying this. I cannot believe we are 15 days. That means we have 10 more days of amazing merchandise, amazing brands to highlight, and amazing products to show you guys. I really hope that you guys are going back to my previous videos. There are 14 videos of products that I have loved and highlighted that have really helped people come up with the perfect idea for Christmas gifts for the guys in their life. If this is your first time checking out this channel, welcome and happy holidays. Make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are also pressing that subscribe button and hitting that bell because you don't want to miss the next 10 days worth of content because I just have so much for you guys. Today I am highlighting one of the coolest things that you could honestly get anyone. It's so retro, it's so unique, and it is the Bumpbox Ultra Bluetooth Boombox. That's right guys, an old school retro boombox. Obviously this isn't like your normal one. This one is branded for cookies, but there are so many different ones. This is supposed to bring back that fun retro look and sound from, the 80s, and I really like this. You guys know I'm all about vintage items. I love the idea of having something like this that kind of emulates it, even though it's not technically a retro boombox. Now this is from Bumpbox. Bumpbox is a dope brand who makes custom and just come out with crazy designs for these boomboxes. These boomboxes are one of a kind style-wise. Once they're gone, they're never seen again, which is like an example is the cookies one. This one you have to try to find on the cookies website. Sometimes you're able to get it, it comes in and out, but once a style is gone, it doesn't come back. But I had to show you this because there are over 13 different styles that this Bumpbox comes in, which is so dope. One for any type of design, for any type of guy that you could be thinking of. There are so many different ones. Not only does this boombox bump, but it has so many capabilities. It has a Bluetooth capability. It has an aux port. It has illuminating front, so the Bumpbox up front illuminates when you turn it on. It has an extreme rear bass radiator, a USB charging port, 5 EQ settings. Has literally a treble and bass knob on here, guys. You have so much control over this boombox and an easy handle to carry it with. On the side here, it has all of its capabilities. You have all the controllers that you need for any of the music that you're playing. You can rewind, fast forward, skip to the next one, worry about your EQ, aux in, aux out, turning on the light if you choose to. And it even lets you know when it needs to be charged and if it's fully charged while you're charging it with the light. I mean, what else could you ask for? This thing does everything. When they call it a bump box, it's because this bad boy bumps. This, for me, was a game changer. I have found myself using this for house parties. I use this at the beach. That's right, I take it with me to the beach. It changes the mood and makes every place that you go a party place. Not to mention, I am a huge fan of the retro look when you have the boombox. You guys, there are so many videos of me holding this like this while letting the music play. I have no shame. I love this thing. Now, when you order one of these, some of the things that you get with it is the charging adapter, carrying strap, the remote control, the RCA adapter. Everything you need to make this worthwhile. However, for myself, you guys know I can't just do it the simple way. I had to go a little bit further. You can pay extra, and when I say extra, it's only a few dollars more, but it is worth it. And that's for the official bag for it. Now, not every design Bumpbox makes has the option for a bag, and that's because not all of them are collabed with the brand. Now, when they do collab with the brand, they usually offer the bag to go with it. I was able to get the limited edition cookies one, so I made sure I got the cookies bag to go with it. Now, what I love about this bag, for one, it's huge. It's literally huge. But it has the spot for your bump box to go literally right here. You put it right in there. So now you have a carrying case for it to go on your back with the bump box, and this entire top area is actually for you to carry stuff. So you should have only this backpack. When I tell you I've taken this thing with me on hikes and everything, because who doesn't like to bump a little music? I do. So this is a game changer. It has automatic detection from the phone. I haven't even done anything yet. Like literally haven't done anything. The minute I turn it on, you can hear it connect, and immediately to the phone that it knows. Like, that's it connecting, and the minute it connects, it starts playing.
Baby, we can feast. We can dine 3 days at least.
Tell me this isn't bumping. It gets so loud, I just don't want to wake up the neighbors around here. But come on, guys. This is amazing. There's no guy who wouldn't want a retro bump box. This was a game changer. This is something that will always be a fan favorite at parties. This is something that's so versatile. I use this even when I don't have to, and that's totally fine. That's the point of this gift. It's just meant to be fun and to use. I am quick to take this around the house with me, use it outside when I'm washing my car just to hang out, but this has been a huge conversation piece when people see it. So that's why I think this is the way to go. Now, these do range from $149.99 to $200 depending on which one you get. A lot of them are on sale. Usually when they do a collab like this one, it ends up being like $250, but still not bad. They do tend to do random collabs, so you just have to go on their website, go on the Bumpbox website and see what they have. But they have so many of them. It won't be hard to choose one, and you can get one at a lower price. They even come with different accessories. Some come with the microphone so that you can do karaoke, some doesn't. Mine didn't, but I'm totally fine because it was a collab piece, so they didn't come with anything other than the bag itself, which was, I think, way more important. I want to know what you guys think. Is this a dope gift? Do you guys love retro items and merchandise and clothes like this? Let me know in the comments, because I am obsessed with this and I love looking at it. I love using it even when I don't have to. Make sure you guys are going to their website and checking it out. Alright guys? Make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel as well, and hit that bell so that you don't miss any of my videos or the highlights for my 25 days of Christmas gift ideas for him. So as always guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.